Using App Engine is kind of like not having to have an infrastructure engineer on hand all the time. You just upload it and Google is your infrastructure engineer that just deals with scaling, downtime, reliability, and all that. I have code. I don't want to be dealing with servers. I don't want to be dealing with scaling. I just want to upload this and I just want to see it on the internet.
Welcome to Cafetiere. So this one's all about Google App Engine.
App Engine is essentially a framework for developers like us to be able to upload their code without any infrastructure management and just have it run. And Google does all the maintenance, all the infrastructure, and everything you need to have a scalable web application.
It's actually just one small little part of GCP.
That's right. There's lots of different services within a spectrum on GCP that have to do with running an app. And one is I want to manage everything. And one side is I don't want to manage anything. I just want to write my code. App Engine is skewing towards that. I don't want to manage anything. I just want to run my code side of things. It's made for these kind of microservice architectures. And that's a techie term for essentially splitting a huge monolithic application into its parts, into its components. And App Engine deals really nicely with that sort of thing.
You know, when you think of app, a lot of people might think of like a phone app, you know, downloading an app. But like this is like a broader sense of an app, like not a downloadable like whatever, like spirit level or something like that to solve a little problem on your phone. Like it's the broader sense of an app.
That's right. The general definition for an app is quite broad. Although some people may quickly go to phone apps. This could be a browser application. This could even be a phone application, but it is very scalable. It's not just contained to within a phone applications. It could be anything.
The fact that this is scalable and everything is done automatically, that means you're only paying for what you're using, for only what you're needing. So if you have a spike in user activity for your website or something like this, App Engine would be able to just pull up more containers, and then as that decreases, then those are released back again into the data center for someone else to use.
We might sometimes wonder, like when we're on Google Chat, for example, that gets a lot of new features every now and then. Raresh is looking at Google Chat and I'm looking at Google Chat, but we're looking at two different Google Chats because there's this element of A/B testing going on. Google are rolling out features to a small subset of users, and App Engine makes that really, really easy. I've got this new shiny auth service, but I only want 20% of users to get that. So it's literally like a slider. You just go 20%, new service, go.
If you had like a small team and of, you know, a few developers that were great at doing all their coding and, you know, actually building apps and stuff like that, but you didn't have, you know, a DevOps manager or team there, then that's when you would be using App Engine, because you don't need to worry about the foundations of it. It's just code and that's it.